Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Throwing Rod's Garage. In this video, I'm going to be working on my new Holland 56 rake. Now, don't know what year it is. Might be able to tell me by the tag. Don't know. It works. Well, at least did. Last fall cut, I went to a friend's field. He let me cut his, and I just seemed to have nothing but bad luck with that field. Now, I was out there, it cut just fine. I redid all the teeth on my sickle bar mower, new guards, a lot of new guards, but didn't replace them all. But anyways, I went to go rake, used my little Toyota to rake with, because why not? I stayed super slow, less than, between 5 and 10 miles an hour. I wasn't going too quick. But every once in a while, the rake would stop moving. It would just sit here. It would spin, but whenever you would try pulling it, it wouldn't engage. So the gearbox was rebuilt whenever I purchased it at the beginning. So the gears are all new, bearings are new, but this bolt here, which I know is the wrong size, I have to replace it. The shear bolt came off, and I lost this whole axle assembly off. And inside this hub, there's a little gear called, I guess it's called a dog. That's what some old timers told me. So I found one of those, and I'm hoping that maybe this one's missing. So maybe it's supposed to be a quick, easy fix. Don't know, but we'll see. We'll get to it. Now with it lifted up, until it's still not engaged. So I'm hoping that maybe, just maybe, that dog in there is missing. Or it could be something else. Not sure. Look at that bolt. And that's a grade, oh, that's only a grade 5 bolt. Ooh, I bet that Woodruff key is missing. There's supposed to be a Woodruff key in there as well. Okay, so the dog is in there. Ah, the spring was positioned wrong. Okay. Well, this might have been an easy fix. Not much of a video. But let's just put it in there for fun and take a look. Try it. Get in there, get into place. Aha! All right, it feels like that dog is catching like it's supposed to. Let's go ahead, pull the wheel off, move it out of the way. Now I know we can clean this up and add some fresh grease. That might do us some good. It's not very, I mean, it's greased, which that's a plus. There's probably not supposed to be that much play in there, which I can adjust that with this lock nut, well, castle nut and a cotter pin. And I think there's a burr on this. Give it, grab a hammer. Gently. But yeah, see all that buildup of grease and grass, everything. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up really, really well. Re-grease it. Slap this all back together, clean up the hub as well, and readjust the tension because that's too loose. Now, that looks way better. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back on here on the shaft, set it with a set screw, readjust the tension on the bearings, and then clean out the hub. I'm actually fighting the daylight. I'm about out, worked all day today, So trying to play catch up on a lot of stuff that's going on. Don't mind my shop, it's a disaster. I got something hiding back there. You can't see it all the way. Not yet. I've already made a video on it once, but it is home and I'm gonna go ahead and get it running a whole lot better. But anyhow, back to the hay rake. Now, with the wheel back on, I got a new shear bolt. It's tight. All I have left to do over here is grease it. I went ahead and adjusted that play in the bearings, so that's good. All I have left to do now is the other side, and then we'll take it for a quick test. So as soon as I'm done with this side, I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it hooked up to my Toyota and gauge the gearbox, pull it around. If the tines move like they're supposed to without stopping, I mean, it would only go about 20 feet. And then if you made a turn where that dog could not be engaged anymore, it would allow it to skip and the tines won't spin. So I already got it all freed up. They are spinning perfectly. No, that's the wrong way. But none of them are hitting. So we should be good. I'll finish up this side and I'll be right back. And when it comes to the wonderful farm equipment, especially old, don't forget to grease it. All right, let's see if it works. Looks like it's working just fine. Now the real test will be whenever I get my hay down, we can see if it actually will work like it's supposed to. Now granted, I said earlier that I go between 5 to 10 miles an hour. I don't. My tractor, I keep it in low and probably second gear, so that's maybe 2 to 3 miles an hour. I like to take my time. It's fun cutting hay and baling it, so enjoy it while I can. But anyhow, I appreciate you guys for watching. I know this is kind of a short video, but it was a sweet and simple fix. All my tines are good on here, so I don't have to worry about that. Again, all the grease in here is full. Both the hubs are cleaned out and the dogs are working as they should. So as we can see, when we backed it up, it wasn't spinning. It locks in what it needs to. Yep, perfect. Well, I guess I'll see you guys next time. My next video is going to be with my baler. Now it's a John Deere 24T and it needs to be retimed. So I need to get that done pretty quick because, well, I have to cut my hay. See you guys.